is Yuranisa Firdaus, and I would like to explain about interpreter. So, interpreter is a person who conveys messages from the source language to the target language orally, at the same time or on the spot. Besides that, we should also know the differences between interpreter and translator. Translator is a person who is transferring written or spoken source language to equivalent written text. So now we understand that interpreting is a process to convey a messages from the source language to the target language orally, at the same time or on the spot, while interpreter is a person who does that.
Hello, I'm Inatin Putri. In this video, I'm going to explain about the example from interpreter. Well, there are four kinds of interpreter, namely court, conference, parliamentary, and seminar. Usually in a conference, there are one speaker from this language and one speaker from another language. They are different. And interpreter is needed to switch to this language to another language. Let me give an example from interpreter in a seminar or conference. For example, you fly to a seminar or conference as audience and you need interpreter because you do not understand what the speakers are saying. You are not going to make report from a tribune, and throughout all the conference you sit and listen in a hall, so the invited interpreter will interpret only for you. This is not to disturb other participants of conference or seminar. Interpreter will whisper the translation quietly in your ear. It is a certain kind of whisper interpreting. The interpreter usually stands near for not only to hear each word told by you well, but also to have an opportunity to ask something again if necessary. It is ideal when there are no microphones, even if the room is not very big. Well, that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. And now let's move on to this video.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sarul. I want to demonstrate Donald Trump's speech about Corona. Protecting the health of Americans also means fighting infectious diseases. We coordinate and work closely with the Chinese government in fighting the coronavirus outbreak in China. My government will take all steps necessary to protect citizens from the threat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Dadendira. I'm from Group 3. I will tell about interpreter. Melindungi kesehatan orang Amerika juga memerangi penyakit menular. Kami berakomodasi dan bekerja secara erat dengan pemerintahan Cina dalam mencegah wabah virus corona. Pemerintah saya mengambil semua langkah yang diperlukan untuk melindungi